Hello everyone, welcome to our Hearty Eat series brought to you by the Heart Foundation of Jamaica. We have some exciting and fun-filled sessions where we will be showing you simple, creative ideas on how to use locally grown fruits, vegetables, herbs, and other Jamaican foods to make heart-healthy meals, snacks, and beverages. Get your chef hats on and your cooking skills ready to take on the kitchen. Stay tuned as we jump right into things.
Hey guys, this is how you make gourmet popcorn. First, to start making the popcorn, you need a hot pot. Then, you add a little bit of oil, and not too much. After which, you'll put in the popcorn kernels and cover the pot. Wait 3 to 4 minutes, and then the popcorn should be ready to make the gourmet stuff on it.
For this and more heart-healthy recipes, visit our website at www.heartfoundationja.org, on Instagram at Heart Foundation JA, and on Facebook at Heart Foundation Jamaica. Do enjoy!